Go ahead.
Yep.
So we had some rats or mice or something eat our connector right off. So we've got another piece of wire. That's the silver one. We're gonna go with the, we just got it from an old lamp. I don't know how well this is gonna work. Or even if it's gonna work, but it's too small to butt joint. So we're gonna try and do a little bit of soldering here. I pulled out the soldering iron. It hadn't been seen the light of day for 20 years. I think I need to bend those up just a hair to match our curve of how this is sitting on there. Because I guess got that wire just shoved into the toolbox. But this is for a scion, the front end. The little mice just loved that stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna have to do this a little bit different. So I'm gonna heat up this piece. Okay, we got some solder on that one. Now we're going to go for the engagement of this one. Thing's moving on me. Hang on, I need to get that thing a little bit more solid.
You might be able to get him on the other side.
No, she's fine where she's at. I need to hold down that thing with some weight.
Does it flick around everywhere?
Yeah, because it's moving. And what do you use when you need to hold something? Vice grips. My oldest daughter already said, hell no. Ugh. Megan's still here with me though. Got it on the first one.
Dang, all right.
Micro mini welding. So I'm going to do it to that one as well, just like that. So I'm going to put the little bit of flux on the solder here. Drop this down. Ah, didn't quite take. Got it. And that's how you solder little tiny shit. Go ahead and kill it.